Best Home Cook. It's week 4. The home cooks arrive.
Hi. Hello.
Claudia?
Our presenter is Claudia Winkleman.
How are we all?
Good, good.
Next, the judges arrive.
Judges?
Morning. Morning. Morning.
Morning.
How are we all?
It's time for today's task.
You have 3 hours to make the ultimate birthday cake. Let's go.
The task is a children's birthday cake. Robin is 63. He's a manager from Bristol in the UK. He has a wife and a daughter. Susie is 36. She has 2 children and she's from Northern Ireland. Georgia is 24 years old and she's from London. She's a model. Ollie is a manager in a restaurant. He's 34 and he's married. He and his wife have 1 daughter. Katie's 33. She's married and she works in a supermarket. Elisabetta is 52. She's from Italy, but now her home is in London. Sarah's 42 and has a son. They're from Manchester.
"15 minutes!" "1 minute, cooks." And that's it, time's up.
Finally, the cakes are finished. But are they good? So, who are the 3 winners?
And that is Susie's.
The one that stood out for me, it was Robin's.
Katie, well done.
And now it's time to rest before next week.
Yeah, it's really good, right?